Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Once you get inside your car and you turn the ignition on, you get this message on your dashboard. You know it is time to change the engine oil. Today I'm going to show you how to change the oil and oil filter in your car or truck. After watching it, you will be able to change your own oil. Many low-cost oil change shops will use cheap oil and really cheap filters. So by doing an oil change yourself, you could use good motor oil, good filter, and know for sure the job is getting done right, and it's fun to work on your own car. These are the tools that you need to change your oil. Gloves to protect your hands, a 15mm socket to remove the drain plug, and oil filter wrench to remove the oil filter. In addition to tools to change your oil, you're also going to need a piece of wood or tire wedge to block the rear tires. So you're gonna have to use two tire wedges, one for the front and the other one for the back of the rear tires. And then something to jack your vehicle up, like a ramp. Another tool that I'm going to use that's not shown here is a funnel, which I'm going to use to fill up the engine with new oil. To start, we're gonna have to make sure that we place wheel wedges in the front and the back of the rear tires. To get access to the oil pan drain plug, get under the vehicle from the passenger side. I am under the vehicle. This is the oil pan drain plug. I'm gonna use a 50mm socket to remove it. The oil drain plug has a gasket to help seal the plug. They are one-time used. Some people have reused this gasket one or two times and never have a problem with leaks, and I'm one of those people. But in general, I suggest that you replace the gasket. Now we are going to let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes so all the oil collects in the drain pan. The oil filter is on the other side of the drain. The oil is completely drained. So let's screw the drain plug and move on to the next step. Just screw it by hand and it should tighten right up. I like to wipe away any extra oil before I tighten it all the way. Your drain plug will stay clean and you will know if there is any oil leaking from the drain plug down the road. Just tighten so it's snug. You don't want to over tighten it. All you need is to tighten it to 20 foot-pound of torque, which is nothing. Remember, it has a gasket in it. Tighten it, and once it's snug, just give it a little extra turn.
This is the oil filter. To get access to it, we have to get under the car from the driver's side and then right under the engine where the engine is connected to the transmission. This is the oil filter. So to remove it, we are going to use the oil filter wrench. Here on this area here, you're gonna use it just to loosen the oil filter. Now I'm gonna finish removing it with my hand. Make sure you got your gloves on and the engine cool down. Now we're gonna clean it so we can put the new oil filter in. We're gonna get the oil filter ready and put it in. This is the oil we are going to use on the 2013 Chevy Suburban. Now we're gonna have the oil filter ready for installation. Open it up, lubricate the O-ring. Now we're gonna put it in place. supposed to be hand tight. So position for me to do it with my hand, so I just use the wrench. So now we're gonna add oil to the engine. This is the sign to show you the location of the engine oil. So remove the cap, turn and pull up. I already put 5 quarts. So now I'm gonna put half a quart and then I'm gonna run the engine. The engine oil is too low, so I'm gonna have to add engine oil to it. I use all 6 quarts.
Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.